Welcome back. We have another unboxing. This is my second box from Fun Delivered. This one is not supposed to be like the other. Okay, it's not supposed to be like the other one. This one is going to be actual packages showing what the item is. It's undisclosed. Let me really tape this up good. Please do not, child. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Oh, okay. So I don't see the card on top like normally is, but this looks to be like a blanket. Wait a minute, please. Yes.
A green flower.
This looks to be like a blanket.
Yeah.
Can we open it and look?
Yeah.
Or
It's so soft. It's so squishy.
or is this for the dog? Okay, that does fill up.
This is for the dog?
I don't know. There's like straps to hold it down. Wondering if this is for
Look it.
back in the car for like the dog or just in general.
Yeah.
This would come in handy for either you or the dog.
Here, the dog don't get the
I have absolutely no clue.
It's okay, Mia.
I don't know what that's for. Okay, so what was
Can I
this?
open it?
This looks to be for the straps. So I'll have to do a little research and figure that out. And just like in the last video, I
Smell
will
it, Mom.
be
Smell
posting
it.
the
Smell it.
wait 1 second. I will be posting what it is and the price of what it is on the bottom. This box was over $100, I want to say. I want to say this is like $150. I will double check. I'll put the price. This is an LED night light. Mushrooms. It's cute. It's a little night light.
Abby, I want to try.
It's a night light. We plug it in and it lights up.
I want to try, Mom.
Well, we can use that in the house. Okay.
Please.
We're going to keep it in the box. Next are flameless candles. These are very nice. There we go.
And then,
Very cute. Next, oh, a little fan. Very nice. I'm getting much better stuff out of this box than my last box, I think. Oh, insulated cup. Dreaming my dream. Tumbler. Very nice. Oh, here's the card. See, there it is. Fun Delivered. As you can see. I may just get another box like this. I don't know about the parcel one. I might give it another shot. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Oh, we could definitely use this. Smart doorbell. We've actually had some car break-ins, so this might be, I don't know if it's as good as the ring. We'll check it out. I can review it. Why not? Next is, whoa, that's a big one. Nut milk maker. Nut milk maker. So I guess it's like a milk frother. Oh, nut milk maker, soy milk maker.
I'm here.
So you take nuts and make milk with it? That's interesting. We do not have a use for this. I have started not a TikTok. I have started a shop. Link is in my bio. If anything that we do not have an interest in keeping, I am putting it up into the store. And you guys can purchase it off of there. And all the money that I collect off of anything that we put up in there, we are going to be using to buy new boxes. This is interesting. I have no clue what this is. Let's open it and find out. Let's see.
It's a rainbow.
It kind of looks like it, but
What is it, guys?
it looks like a baby thing.
It's for Ethan? It's for Ethan, that's for babies?
Upward baby. So it's something for a baby. Obviously, we have no use for this. Upward baby.
Yep.
I have no clue. Another thing I'm going to have to look up.
Yep.
Excuse me, please do not touch. Okay, we still got a few more things in here. Claire, excuse me, no thank you.
Yeah, and this is
Car hook mobile phone holder.
Yeah.
So we have a mobile phone holder. I think you guys can see it better this way. There you go.
What is this, Mom?
Oh, we got some swimming goggles. Hey, that'll come in
Mom, I
handy.
want to try them, Mom.
Well, I don't know if they're going to fit you. It might be like a mommy and daddy for grown-ups. We'll check it out. I don't know. We shall see. This is...
Mommy, it's wrapping away.
Oh, I was looking for something like this. Okay, so this is a push-button, one-hand operator of... It's showing just pepper, but I don't know if it's for salt and pepper or just the pepper.
Pepper? Is it pepper, Mom?
Very cool. What's it look like? There's two of them.
Peppers, Mom.
We'll definitely try those out. Excuse me. Don't grab from mommy's hand, please. Excuse me. Wait until mommy's done. So that's what they look like.
So cool. I want to try. I want to see. At the back. I want to see.
I don't know.
You like to ask me about my nuts?
Yep. I don't know. I'm doing a video to find out. Then there is a mobile phone case.
Mama.
Unsure what phone though. Excuse me, you won't be doing this with me if you're gonna be like that.
Mommy.
I am not sure what. It doesn't say what phone.
Mom.
Yes, ma'am. But it's cute. I'll have to find out what type of phone. Be yourself. That's what it says around the heart. Be yourself. Just keep saying it around and around.
It's a picture.
It's very cute.
It's really cute, Mom.
Very cute. And that's it. That was the last thing in the box.
I want to hide a box.
So here was what I paid. And here is the total for everything that I got. So was it worth it? No, thank you. Anything that we are not keeping will be in our store. You can find a link in the bio. And all the proceeds that I make off of that will go to more mystery boxes and stuff like that. Let me know if you want to see another one like this. Or do you guys know of other mystery boxes that I should check out and open? Thanks for joining us, and we will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.